Okay, let's see. You create a timer. I could go back to any point in time. You appear as a ghost image cannot alter any defenses. Actually, that's pretty good, in my opinion. Yeah, because you can go and look at the times. Pretty nice. You can completely bankrupt an entire electronics corporation. Apple. Dropped. No. Yeah. So the hero you're thinking of right now becomes your best friend. The hero's main and time begins. I don't know what that means really, so I'm just gonna go. You have to. Oh yeah. Yeah, I don't care. I'll just attract one girl. Erase. Yes, I like wild animals. Pretty good. Get free computers and other technology for like. Oh yeah, they don't care about anime. Oh, dang it. You can see girls' generation, everyone. They all love me and hate you. No. Oh no. What? Half-Life 3 is made. The ending is terrible. I guess. Quidditch becomes an official sport. I don't care. You can solve any problem to benefit human. You're blame causing the problem. Yes, I don't care. I'll save people from Ebola. Two people of your choosing, you can choose yourself, become immortal. They would never have any. So watch ones they left out. They will have any romantic interest. They'll never have any room in each other, and so will be doomed to watch the ones they love die. What? What wouldn't happen? Just pick your two main enemies. Wow. Yeah, it's true. True. It's actually true. It's true. Let's see another one. You get to comment with. Yeah. Yeah, pretty good. Hey, man. What? I mean, yes. No way. Oh my gosh, then you're going to drive that one car for the rest of your life. Yes! Yes, if there's apocalypse. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, if there's apocalypse. Just get a new car. That's nice. You get $1 million every month for the rest of it. You have to be to the nearest streams. I don't care. I like libraries. It changed. I would have done that. What? It changed. You get to enter a book for... Dang it! If it was any book. I know a few books in mind. Don't know if it happens. Oh, that's true. Ah, yes, I like that one. Yeah, we are. Dad. You gotta say I have to wear Crocs all the time. Actually, I should have done that. You become guardian of Legends of Galen and asking for shit. You can't even block it out. I like my life. You can get anyone. Yeah, I don't care. So this video's going a bit fast. You can get the power to send electric currents through objects, people. No! Take it easy, bitch. No! Sorry, I'm just trying to go a bit fast. See you later. Hey, guys, bye. So, guys, I'm sorry, but I'm going near the end of this episode. This is part 1. Well, see you in part 2.